Hi, today I'm going to show you how to start your page numbers at pages other than page 1 or page 2. Now, as you can see here, I've got my document open and it's something that's probably quite characteristic of a bog standard thesis or dissertation, and something that you might want to start your page numbers further down the document. So as you can see, I've got here my cover, my introduction page, a contents page, and then the beginning of my report or dissertation on page 4. So if we were just to simply double click on our footer at the bottom, so all you do is take your cursor down to the bottom of a page and double click, your footers and your headers will appear and your cursor will appear at the bottom. Now if I just zoom in slightly, if I was just to simply go up to page numbers on the header and footer tab, click on the drop down, click page numbers, select center, show number on first page and click OK. As you can see, your page numbers will simply appear in order from page 1. Again, if I go up to page numbers and I uncheck this box here and click OK, so as you can see, the number on the cover has disappeared, but your page numbers start from number 2. Now that may be adequate for you. If not, and you want to start it from number 1, then you're going to have to use this technique. Or if you want to start your page numbers from number 1 on page number 4, you can also use the same technique. It's exactly the same. So let's just get rid of those page numbers by removing page numbers. And what we need to do is just click back onto our main document, and you need to decide where you want your first page to start. So I want number 1 to start here. So what I do is I take my cursor to the very top character of the page and click, and then I go to Layout, and I go to this icon here that says Breaks. Click on the drop down and click Next Page. Now this particular next page is under Section Breaks, which is really important. So click Next Page, and whilst you don't see anything happen, if you click back up to the Home tab and go to this icon here, what you can see here is that this section break has been added. And what that actually means is that the document has been split into 2 sections. This section here is your first section, and anything after that is the second section. If we double click on our footer again, you can also see that you've got footer section 1 right the way up until your 4th page, where it says first page of your footer in section 2. So these 3 pages are section 1, and this and the remainder of your document is section 2. So now what we need to do is to unlink these 2 sections, because currently they are linked, and you can see that because it says same as previous. So what we need to do is to click on section 2, make sure your cursor is on the first page of section 2 in the footer, and then you go up to this icon here, make sure on the header and footer tab, go to the link to previous and just click on it, and you can see that the same as previous sign or tab has disappeared, which means that for your footers, not your headers, because your headers are still linked, your footers are no longer linked. So now if I go to page number, click on page number and click on center. I'm going to have my page numbers in the center, but you can choose where you want yours. I'm going to show number on the first page because I want number 1 to show on the first page here. Then I'm going to click on Format. This menu is normally defaulted to have this checked here, but we don't want that, so we want to start at number 1. So you can move these up and down. If you want your 4th page to start at number 4, then you simply check up to number 4, but we want our 4th page to start with number 1. And we click OK, and click OK. And as you can see, our second section begins at number 1 and continues through, and our first section doesn't contain any page numbers at all. If you want to change this number to number 4, don't forget, go to page number, format page numbers, click on number 4, click OK, and your first page will start at number 4. So don't forget, if I click off and show you this icon here, you must split your document into 2 sections in order to get the page numbers to begin on a different page. Well, I hope that's helped. If it has, please comment below and subscribe, and have a great day.